morning. This is spelling for Tuesday, April 7th. Your first word is avoid, and for spelling we say avoid. Ready? A void. You should avoid physical contact. First syllable is a, next syllable void. And for reading we say avoid. But for spelling we're going to underline the A, we're going to underline the oi, and we have rule 4. Your next word is banana. And for spelling we're going to say ba, na, na. Ready? Ba, na, na. First syllable is ba, next syllable, na, next syllable, na. And because we're using the third sound, we put a 3 above our first and last A on banana. Next word is biscuits. Grandma can make the best biscuits ever. Biz, cuts. First syllable is biz. Next syllable. Now, when we write biscuits, we're writing the UI, and the CU gets underlined because it says a k sound. Biz, cuts. Next word, bottle. The baby dropped its bottle. You say bottle, ball, bottle. First syllable is bot. Next syllable, tull. So for bottle, we are going to also write Rule 29 at the end. Oh, let's go back and underline our E here. We have to have every syllable has to have a vowel, so that's number 4, bottle. And I want to show you too in handwriting that when you hook up your O to your T, you know that O is like this. T usually starts down on the bottom line and comes up, but when we're hooking it onto an O, you cannot make your pencil come down to this line. You have to make 2 on the clock with your O, then over, up for your T, and so your connector for your T isn't going to be this long line. It's going to be hooked right onto the O. So just a little handwriting there. We always have to have a little reminder, don't we? Okay, the next word is bottom. The ship sank to the bottom of the ocean. Tom. First syllable is bot. Next syllable, Tom. This also is Rule 29. We're dividing between the 2 consonants, dividing our syllables between consonants that are the same. And your next words are related. So we'll make a bracket. We're doing 7 words today. So we'll go to the bottom line. And your word is bruise. I got a bruise on my leg. So here's how you spell bruise. It's 1 syllable, bruise. But we have U right here, spelled UI. So U Z E. We're going to underline the UI. Above the S, we're going to put a 2 because it's the second sound of S. It says the Z sound. And then we're going to add no job 5 here. Just a little idea now about your handwriting. When you are hooking an R to a B, so you make your B first, then you make your little connector come across. Now usually for R we would come back down here to the bottom line and come up for R, but when you hook it onto a B you do not have this connector. So I'm going to erase that. and it kind of hooks on like this. Okay, we're going to use that same thing for your word above bruise, and we're going to write bruised. Jesus was bruised for me when he died on the cross. So you have what's that, an S here? See if I can get my fingers right. B-R-U-Z, and then E-D, ed, bruised. So it's still one syllable. We have, I don't know if you can see it with my fingers. Does that help there? B-R-U-Z, ed. Okay, first sound is B-R-U-U, Z, ed. And some people say bruised. We're going to put it into one word, one syllable. We have underline, we're going to underline our UI for you, the sound of you. And then we're going to put a 2 above our S because it still says the Z sound. And then you'll be underlining ed. You remember what rule that is? I think it's 28. We have okay. Now we're ready to get my computer woke up here again. Now we're going to read for spelling. Make sure you can see it. Okay, here we go. Avoid, avoid. Ba-na-na, banana. Biscuits, biscuits. Bottle, bottle. Bottom, bottom. B-R-U-Z-ed, bruised. B-R-U-Z-E, bruise. Now let's read for reading. Avoid, banana, biscuits, bottle, bottom, bruised, bruise.